Ready to jump into some riveting frog facts? These hoppers will blow your mind. First up, some frogs can literally freeze and come back to life. It's like their own froggy superpower. Next, frogs don't drink water. They absorb it through their skin. Talk about efficient hydration. Ever heard of the hairy frog? It breaks its own bones to produce claws when threatened. Ouch, but cool, right? And get this, some frogs can change color to blend into their surroundings. Eat your heart out, chameleons. Last but not least, the golden poison dart frog's skin contains enough poison to take out 10 humans. But don't worry, they only use it for self-defense. Isn't nature totally wild? If you love these froggy facts, like and subscribe for more mind-blowing science. Ribbit you later.